Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. Both Dyson and Miele are two of the most popular vacuum brands in the world. Which is best for your home? Let's go ahead and find out now. Miele's specialty tends to be corded bagged vacuums with fantastic suction and quality. Their most notable models are canister vacuums. Dyson, on the other hand, points towards convenience with washable filters and bagless dustbins. In addition, Dyson claims to have both the highest suction corded and cordless vacuums in the world. Whether you're considering uprights, cordless sticks, or canisters, each of these brands has options to fit the bill in a range of prices and features. This video will highlight the best products from each brand with consideration to design, cleaning performance, usability, maintenance, and value. We're going to start by highlighting one of the most popular vacuums from Miele, the Miele Classic C1. The Miele Classic C1 canister vacuum is just that, a classic. It's sturdy and dependable and has been a staple of Miele's lineup for years. The C1 is a powerful vacuum designed to clean many different floor types. It has 6 cleaning modes and multiple accessories. On our cleaning test, the C1 scored virtually perfectly on all debris types and floor types, scoring 100% on hardwoods and low carpet and scoring a 99.5% on high carpet for an overall debris removal score of 99.8%. This is one of the highest cleaning scores we've seen from any vacuums we've tested to date. The benefit of the canister design is that the weight of the vacuum stays on the floor. The extension wand and flexible hose give the vacuum a long reach. It's not cordless, but the cord is long enough for the vacuum to reach anywhere in the room. In addition, the retractable cord is a nice additional feature. The downside to the canister is the maintenance cost. Users will need to periodically purchase debris bags and filters. Even so, bagged vacuums do offer improved performance for allergies, asthma, and fine particulate removal. As for other Miele vacuums, they offer numerous options. Their product lines are Classic, Compact, Complete, and Blizzard. The differences in these lines are the vacuum's weight, integrated or attachable accessories, and bagged or bagless debris containers. Miele's classic vacuums are moderate weight and the accessories can be attached separately. The popular Miele Classic C1 Turbo shares design similarities with the Classic C1, but adds a motorized brush roll, which is better suited for cleaning high-pile carpets. Miele's compact vacuums are lighter and have a more compact design. Miele's complete vacuums are heavier, but the accessories are integrated into the design of the vacuum. Complete vacuums are only available within Miele's C2 and C3 lines, which are incredibly powerful, full-featured canister vacuums. The Miele Complete C2 is one of the most popular variants and is ideal for hard surface floors as well as rugs. Miele's Blizzard vacuums are bagless, so they use a removable dustbin to empty the debris. Miele's focus for this line is hygienic cleaning with a dust separation system. All of these Miele products are highly powered. The power levels of all Miele canister vacuums are either equal to or more than that of the Classic C1, which had nearly flawless cleaning performance on our test. As for the rest of Miele's products, they have options for corded uprights and robots, and they recently released a line of cordless stick vacuums, the Miele Triflex HX1. In our opinion, the canisters are still the stars of the lineup in terms of cleaning performance and value. If you like this video, please get subscribed. You'll get automatic updates from YouTube when we release new videos. It's a big help to our channel and it's totally free. Next, let's move on to Dyson. Their most prominent offerings are cordless stick vacuums and corded uprights. Dyson's V-Series vacuums are cordless and have long run times and powerful suction. All V-Series vacuums can convert from stick to handheld. They each include many helpful accessories and attachment tools for maximum cleaning efficiency. Dyson's cordless stick lineup includes the V6, V7, V8, V10, and V11. Each of these models are available as different variants, including Absolute, Animal, and Motorhead, as well as other specialty variants. The most notable and high-performance models in the V-Series are the V11 Torque Drive, V11 Outsize, and V10 Absolute. The Dyson V11 Torque Drive has a 60-minute runtime, and the back of the motor has a digital LCD screen that shows power modes, remaining battery time, and maintenance alerts. It has strong suction at 185 air watts on boost mode. On our cleaning test, the V11 Torque Drive scored 99.8%. The Dyson V11 Outsize includes 2 batteries that each last up to 60 minutes. It has strong suction power at 220 air watts, which is similar to many upright vacuum cleaners. It has a wider 12.5-inch cleaner head to clean larger areas in a shorter amount of time. On our test, the V11 Outsize scored a 99.6%. The Dyson V10 Absolute can run for up to 60 minutes and has 145 air watts of suction power. It scored a 99.5% on our cleaning test. One of the most notable features is the soft roller brush, which does an incredible job cleaning debris of all sizes on hard surface floors. Check the link in the description if you're interested in purchasing any of the products we featured today. Dyson's other star products are their corded upright vacuums. Dyson's uprights are heavier and less portable due to the cord. However, they have extremely high suction power and excellent cleaning test scores. They are bagless with removable dust bin containers in contrast to Miele's upright vacuums, which all have bags. One of the most popular Dyson products is the Ball Animal 2. It's extremely powerful with 306 air watts of suction power. It includes a washable filter, mini motorized turbine tool, and other helpful accessories. On our cleaning test, the Ball Animal 2 scored a 96.3%. The ball design keeps more of the weight lower to the floor, which improves maneuverability. The Dyson Ball Multifloor 2 is also a strong performer. It has 250 air watts of suction power and it scored a 98.1% on our cleaning test. It's slightly smaller and more maneuverable than the Ball Animal 2. Finally, let's check out one more prominent Dyson, the Dyson Big Ball Multifloor Canister. The vacuum has a canister design like the Miele Classic, so the weight is low to the ground with the extension one held in hand. One major difference is that the Dyson is bagless. It has 250 air watts of suction power. On our cleaning test, the Dyson Big Ball Multifloor Canister scored lower than its upright counterpart, but this was mostly due to the score for cereal on hardwood floors. Its overall score was an 86.4%. This Dyson, as well as several other Dyson vacuums, has such high suction that the cleaning head can sometimes push debris forward instead of sucking it up. The extension hose can be used to clean any left behind debris. Despite this, the high suction power makes this and other Dyson canisters an excellent vacuum. If you'd like more information on any of the products we're featuring today, we've got standalone reviews on all these models. You can check those out at moderncastle.com or just go to our main channel page. So which Miele or Dyson is best for you? If you're looking for a powerful canister vacuum with nearly perfect cleaning performance in our test, get the Miele Classic C1. If you want a powerful canister, but one better suited to high-power carpets, get the Miele Classic C1 Turbo with its motorized brush roll. If you want a bagless canister with a focus on hygienic cleaning, go with the Miele Blizzard CX1. If you want a cordless stick vacuum with a long runtime, check out the Dyson V11 Torque Drive, Dyson V11 Outsize, or Dyson V10 Absolute. If you want a corded upright with extremely strong suction power, look for the Dyson Ball Animal 2 or Dyson Ball Multifloor 2. And finally, if you want a bagless canister with strong suction, go with the Dyson Big Ball Multifloor Canister. Here's a breakdown of the features for the products we've highlighted today. If you want to know more about the products we featured today, check out the standalone reviews and videos on our channel or at moderncastle.com. Well guys, that wraps it up for this video. I hope you found it helpful. For comments or questions, please drop us those notes down below. Do you have a Dyson or Miele at home? We'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments. Check the links in the description if you're interested in purchasing any of the products we have featured today. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.